Hello, welcome back to a new castle vlog. Today we'll visit Belsay Castle and Raby Castle. And if you are new here and you like castles, consider to subscribe my channel. So if you're ready, let's go. This building behind me is not the castle, is the Belsay Hall. It was built by Sir Charles Monk. And basically he was in honeymoon in Greece. He was inspired for some buildings in Greece, built in 19th century. And yeah, we'll go inside and explore also this hall, and then the castle is a little bit further from here. So we are by the castle. It's a substantial 3-story rectangular peel tower constructed about 1370 with, as you can see, with rounded turrets and battlements on the top of the tower, and it was home of the Middleton family. This is the peel tower, and it is one of the best surviving examples of that here. Basically the peel towers is fortified keeps or tower houses built along English and Scottish borders by rich families in the late Middle Ages to defend themselves. In 1640 Thomas Middleton built a new manor house, and in 1711 West Wing was built, which one is behind me, but it was largely demolished in 1872. Look, as you can see, there's a fireplace, so it was the second floor. So I'm on the top of the tower. These towers called turrets, as you can see. On them there is a battlement, and the turrets was designed to look for the enemy, which one is higher than the main tower, so they know when the enemy is coming. So I'm arrived on Raby Castle. This looks like very big castle. This castle has 9 towers along its perimeter. Those 9 towers surrounding central keep, and also a curtain wall around it, as you can see right here. The castle was built by John Neville roughly between 1367 and 1390. I have a feeling that it will be so many rooms inside to explore, because it looks big. There is a big, like a lake, or what it is. I want to show you the smallest cannon ever. It's just right here. The Neville ownership of the Raby Castle lasted for about 400 years and ended after the unsuccessful Rising of the North in 1569. The Rising of the North was an unsuccessful attempt by Catholic nobles from northern England to depose Queen Elizabeth I of England and replace her with Mary, Queen of Scots. That was the castle inside, as you saw. It's very beautiful inside, and they told me in the castle that is only 10% of the castle what I saw, what I showed you. because of course it's the family living inside, so some of the rooms are private. If you are new here and you like castles, consider to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on next video.